Now, back to finish off this sill detail here, I went back into that region there, edited the boundary, and I swapped out those two lines for wide lines, and I think these two are they, yeah, they're wide lines as well, just to emphasize them and make it a little bit bigger. Now, one of the last things I'm going to do here, I'm going to introduce my filled region for insulation. Okay, and I'm going to pick lines here. Okay, and draw in a couple of more, like so. I'm going to pick that one on the corner here. All right, and fill it that to that, that to that, that to that, that to that. There's that, and cancel. Okay, and again, if I wanted to get the lines in here, I'll edit the boundary, pick that one, make that a thin line. Okay, so there's my insulation in place there. Now, what you've got here is probably the brickwork in the background there, but if that's annoying you, you could put in a little masking region in there just to hide that as well. And what I want to finish off on here is thin lines. I want to bring this one down here because that's the brick wall in relief at the back there. Now, one other little thing you could do here is in components, in load family, and I'll have to find this now, detail items. In annotations, yeah, you've got this break line here, see that? Now, I'm going to introduce that in, and it pops in like so. And what it is just basically, again, it's a masking region. I'll be able to pull that out there with invisible lines around the edges, and these are thin lines here. But look, that's what it does, okay? And since I've got it in there, I'm going to put it into my head detail as well. And detail items, try and find it over here. It's called a break line, detail items break line. And okay, so what I'll do is select and go create similar. Let's see if it'll just hold on. Yeah, there you go. To do that way. Now it needs to be reversed. So what I'll do is just rotate it 180 and down into position like so. Right now, I'm going to turn off my crop region there, and I'm going to go back to my sheet, and we'll see how these things are looking on the new detailed sheet here. Okay, so let's move that one up a little bit, and again, let's get these lined up. Move that one into position there, and that one into position there. Now, you can see how the break lines work quite well here, so that it's showing you that these two are connected, but that there is a slight difference in between the two. And I'm just going to shift that out of the grid there. And the last thing I need to do is just note up that sill detail. But there you go. There's your head and your sill. And I think you're asked to do a jam, so I'm going to do that next.